Yo, kumusta? It's been a while. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi grabe, simula nung nag-start yung February, bro. Grabe. Ano bang pronunciation ng February? February? Bahala na. Simula nung nag-start yung February, naku po, grabe, ang busy na talaga. As in, ang daming assignments. Minor subjects and major subjects. Tiglilima yung charla, hindi tiglilima. Basta meron pa akong 5 pending assignments na gagawin ko. Tapos may school events pa. Tapos yung sa panagtipon namin, Cebuano Theater Festival, Panagtipon 2025. Like last year, props and sets crew ako. Pero ngayon, ensemble na din ako. So bale, 2 na yung role ko. Punta muna ako sa 7-Eleven para bumili ng milk. Inad ko lang yung milk sa daily diet ko. Kasi kailangan ko ng extra vitamins. So ayun na nga, ang daming gawain sa schools, school events, and sa panagtipon namin. So palipat-lipat ako ng lugar. Sa UC Main, to UC Pride, to Cebu Coliseum, and parang umiikot na lang yung mundo ko sa school. Very sad. Alam nyo, yung college hindi na palakihan ng grades kundi patibayan ng immune system. Pero despite all of that, kahit kulang-kulang na yung tulog ko, sobrang stress na ako, nagpapasalamat pa rin ako sa Panginoong Diyos ni Papa Jesus kasi pogi pa rin ako. Di ba? Grabe. Thank you very much. Despite all of that, I'm still pogi. Wow. Anyway, papasok na ako sa campus. I-prepare ko muna yung ID ko kasi naputol yung sling. Hahanapin ng guard yun. You're ano. Hello. You're doing great job. Thank you very much. Hey. Wala, sige. Si Blaster Silonga, guys. Si Carl. Si ano. Hello. Ivana. Hello.
Abogado! Kumusta ang boy-boy?
Hey! Nawagtang yung envelope. Hello. Kita ka sa envelope.
Pwede niyo magikuha.
Wala nang gikuha.
Si Charles o si Ashley.
Yeah, kana.
Ba, ay serious?
I don't know kung kuha ba na pero kung wala mo dawat, kuha ko na. Dili. Awesome. Ay. Wow, Xavier. Wow, Marga. Ay,
Yawa, wait lang.
wala, nag-listen siya guys.
Yawa.
Interview. Unsa may ato masulti sa ato ang booth?
The booth.
Unsa mo masulti sa booth sir? Okay. Very nice. Hello, Prof.
Hello.
Unsa itong masulti sa booth sa BPA?
It's looking good so far.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have high expectations.
Wow.
High expectations.
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Hello.
Hi.
Anong masasabi mo sa ating Okay.
Ano man? Nanguloon ha?
Wala. Kasi masulti naman sa ato ang booth sa BPA.
So, ang akong must say sa ato ang booth is, I do not see the Gryffindor. Huh?
Huh?
Come here. Come here.
Unsa?
Come here. May you please explain what is the connection of this to Gryffindor?
Unsa Gryffindor?
Oh my God! But Gryffindor is a house in Harry Potter.
Harry
There are
Potter.
4 houses: Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, and Ravenclaw. And we're Gryffindor. I don't know what it.
Wala lang, designer ni. Designer ni siya guys. Kanisat. Sakto dyan na. Ara dyan na butang.
Sig, gamit ni ma!
Ay, sorry. Wow, duha ka mo. Ay! Moto siya guys. Watch him go with the flow. Awa guys, sa kunsa lagi pang butang diri. Basta mauna na siya. Kamusta man dira, Marga?
It's so nice to be here.
So nice. Mao ni siya guys. Maura ni UC days nga na klase.
Oh, tama na.
Very nice kayo ang design.
The Performing Arts Society. And last, from the Performing Arts Society, Griffin.
Panalad na mo! Yay! Hi there! Hi there! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
So welcome po to the Ang lechon, ang lechon!
Wala kita. Wala
Congested ang 231.
Oh, Hunter. 231C. Hunter.
Bawal mo na ako kayo. Hunter ko rin tayo. Oo, uy.
Every classroom is a spot for major man. Spot for a major. Room.
Basically, this one is a location. We have to go. Yeah, we have to go to that location.
We gather and chat with laughter so
Yes.
bright.
Gather
Spot for a
and chat.
major, both
Spot for
morning and
major.
night. So this is the
Naman tayo, videographer dere ay ano guys, pwede na kapawan. Spot for our major. Sabay, spot sa major sa bukas. Ay, kita Charles.
Ay, aray. Gagi. Salida man eh. Cameraman na ko.
No, dapat ma-upload ka sa vlog.
Hello guys, asa doon?
Okay, sige, let's make it dramatic.
Sige.
Wala man guys, wala man.
Mangita ta. Matutang kayo na rin.
They ignite. Wow, saan kaya natin makikita tong riddle to? Yan, babalik na naman tayo sa second floor. Hello.
Once I make my move.
Free. Shut the king.
Asa mo na? Asa mo?
Scavenger hunt. Wow. Hala guys, na-hit guys. Yeah.
Kasi nakuha na nila.
Wala sa here.
Kasi nakuha na nila.
Dili, tanan items kinasa sa location.
Charles na.
Sino?
Ako sa kabi.
Sige, next.
Oh my God.
Where magic alive.
perfume may arrive. Not quite the ground, but still above. A place of secret where students love. Though it's not the top nor quite the floor. A balcony whispers of legends and lore. Okay, basically it's mezzanine.
Basically, it's very amazing.
Sige, Trem.
So, unsay update, Jessa?
Explore me, guys.
Explore. Nakita nang ikaduha. So, on to the next one nami. Wow. Unsa to? Basin mo ko siya. Sorry guys. Huh?
Oh my God, this is like
Hello? Ilan na yung kapalit?
Huh? Basin.
second level where bodies get show and games and sports.
Ay, oh.
You watch
Chavez. Sa...
open space.
Wait. Nagahan! Gamay na lang time!
Here.
What the? Oh, mayuha rin Jessa, oy. So, nakita na siya tanan, guys.
As you can see, on-site versus BPA. I think BPA is BPA is sa right side, but ako na din BPA na nabasa faster. Mga nagsabi, caskers, shit! For second place, isa ka!
Oy, hindi na maglaro! Hindi kita! Naglaro! Hindi ka pa! Mas mo! Bulaan! Hindi ka pa!
Ay, wala pa!
Okay lang! Okay lang! Okay lang! Okay lang!
Wow, nice guys. Nice job for today.
Eh, applause ko lang.
Nice job.
Daog natin na.
Ha?
Daog mo. Scavenger.
Second.
Second. Uy, si Jay. Lo! Uy! Ilan ang kitang-tang na makeup, guys. Arade ko idol eh. Ay! Idol yun ako, guys. Allah!
Bye, Charles. Bahala to siya, guys.
Basta magdadala.
So Charles is painting his face right now. Here. Here's the face paint.
Ang ano ang iba sa
Here's Nico.
brush.
And here's Charles.
Sige, go sir. Ito ni Kona.
What? The one killed your father? I remember him. Yes, I'm the one who killed your father. And I'm gonna kill you too! Is that all you've got? One more? Yes. Come at me! Sword. Oh, all right. So we're doing that, huh? Make-up pa. Tapos na kami mag-rehearsal. They not like us. 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 Sarap pa ng tipon, bro. Ano kung bisa? Wala ko kayo bawahan eh.
Sige, part 1.
Ay, Tagalog yan eh.
Part 1, preparation for Panagtipon.
Panagtipon, guys.
Cebuano Theater Festival.
Yes, sir.
This is Charles, one of the production team.
Yes, sir. Ito si
Ross.
ano.
I'm
Si Rapio, the main character sa show
The
na.
main syndrome character. We're here at UC Pride. Nakatapos ko lang na
Rehearsal natin.
And we're on our way
To
Cebu
Cebu
Coliseum.
Coliseum para mag
We gotta check the props.
check the sets,
Yeah, check the prop sets and then meet our friend.
our friend, and gonna eat. Guys, goodbye. Thank you. 1, 2, 1, 2. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
What's up, homie? Papauwi na kami.
Offbeat, sabi na walang sikat.
There's only one thing that you can found. Mike yun.
Mike.
Meron akong binibenta na substance. Baka gusto.
Uy, gago ka. Gago ka.
Hindi, yung candy.
Candy.
Yeah, Snowbird.
What's up, vlog? Welcome
to my
Okay.
Snowbird.
Snowbird.
Yeah.
Ito nga pala yung legendary.
Legendary. Kasing.
Kasing.
Yung magbandaan na eh.
So, I've been eating a lot of fast foods lately. So that is very unhealthy. Very bad habity.
Yung mugong sa
And I'm eating again. That's why naubos lagi yung pera ko. Kasi matagal kaming umuwi. Tapos yung mga karinderya naninirado na. Anong Tagalog naninirado? Anong Tagalog sa naninirado? Ang mga karinderya.
sarado. Sarado na.
Nagsarado na yung mga karinderya sa gabi. Kaya wala tayong choice.
Doon na lang.
Doon na lang. Hello guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa UP para manood ng Hopeless Romantic. At susuportahan namin si Derek Brian Salazar and yung Prad team. Sino yun? Si Riza and Thea. Tapos, sino pa? Derek, yeah. Ang actor. Maora siguro guys. Thank you very much. Awas. Straight line. BPA ni. Ang kaning line. Straight line BPA pero dili sila straight.
Hi, I'm Rena.
Komiki. Hi, ako daw si Charles Damien Playo. Ipasa pa daw dito. Introduce yourself niya. Hi.
My name is Kale Castillo and
Masa hantod maabot dito?
Hi. Name is someone you don't introduce yourself. Hi, I introduce myself. I'm Megan daw. I am Jessabe Jessabel.
Dulo eh.
Introduce yourself.
Ikaw na isi.
Ay, ako na di answer, sir. Hi! My name is AC and yeah, I'm a performing arts student. And yeah, we're watching Hopelessly Romantic.
Hi, Pati mang lighting. Hi, I'm Clarille and I'm also a BPA student and we're watching Hopeless Romantic. I need to turn lighting rin.
Di mo lighting ako.
Ay, sorry. Hi, my name is Van. I'm from BPA first year. Ano to eh? Ay, kadakog nang. Hi.
Hello.
Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Irish Aina Engel, 21 years old. 4th year student of Bachelor of Performing Arts. I'm watching Hopeless Romantic. Go, DB. Love you.
I love you very much, DB. I hope you... I introduce your name? My name is Kyle Emmanuel Casil. I hope, DB, you perform very well. We love you.
Pressure mo ba here? Hi. That's it. Or did we break a leg? Hi, Hi, DB. This is us before watching the show. Good luck, bro. Break your legs. For DB, for DB. For DB.
Hi, Bri. Oh my God, wala magatingog gani. Napaniatraso na ako. Break your leg. Break your neck. Break everything. Para kang Brian.
Brian, I'm so proud of you. Thank you sa
Brian.
Thank you sa ticket, Bri. Bri, I'm so proud of you. Nakahilak ako. Start, oh. Grabe. Start, oh. Genuinely, I'm so proud of you.
Bri. Nakoy, pakita ni mo, Bri. Ay, kisa ni phone. Awa lang ang stage, Bri.
Hopeless Romantics Incorporated is presented by
If makagets ka, Bri, tadyo ka. Ay, uli na dito ka.
partnership with the Office for Education, Culture and the Arts of UPC. Special thanks to our sponsors. Itamundo, Paulo Structural.
Bye.
Cool, the Philippines. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being part of the
Bye-bye,
new
guys.
musical, Hopeless Romantics Incorporated. Just a few reminders before we start tonight's performance. Turn off or silence your mobile phones and other electronic devices to avoid interruptions during the performance. No photography, video
Magsugod
recording,
na.
or audio recording is allowed to respect the
Bye, Yuri! Congrats, Bibi!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Derek.
FF. Bye-bye. Bye. Ayun, nakapasok na ako. So, kakain muna ako bago ko tapusin yung assignments ko. Ayan, burger. Alright, burger guys. Actually, mauro ni. Ito lang yung lunch ko. Ang mamahal na kasi nang bilihin pagkain sa labas. No, burger tapos milk. I mean, it's pretty healthy, right? Like milk. Tapos dalawang egg, double egg to. Sige, kain muna ako. Bye-bye. Ayun, so naka-start na ako ng assignment. I'm very happy nga nasimulan ko na talaga. So papatuloy ko ng vlog ko kasi iihi muna ako. Yan lang talaga yung time na yan lang talaga ang time na makapag-vlog ako pag nag-move around ako. So ayun na nga. Ano yung last topic na sinabi ko? Nakalimutan ko. So ito pala yung gusto kong sabihin. Despite all of that, gusto kong what if Charles, ilagay mo yung vlogging sa schedule mo. Paano yan? So punong-puno na yung schedule ko. Paano ko ididikit? Paano ko idadagdag yan? Di ba? Tapos, hindi lang vlogging. Ang dami ko pang gustong gawin. Gusto ko pa mag-exercise, mag-drawing, mag-guitar, mag-singing. Pero, hindi ko magagawa kasi punong-puno na talaga. Kaya, vlogging na lang. Kasi, mag-record lang naman ako eh. And, tapos, ito kasi, yung vlogging is always mahirap explain. Vlogging has always been what I want to do. Yan. So ito na lang guys. Simula nung mga elementary to high school, mga grade 7 to 8, na-discover ko si guava juice. Tapos PewDiePie, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, and then more. And then na-discover ko yung Filipino vloggers like Jamil, and then mga gaming like Christian PH and Paulul and so on. So I'm always into that kind of stuff. Basta hirap i-explain. Basta yan. Gusto ko ipagpatuloy to kahit na sobrang busy ako. Gusto ko mag-vlog. Gusto ko i-improve yung pagsasalita ko at yung editing skills at more. Thank you. Yun lang masasabi ko. Kaya sa inyo dyan, kahit alam ko kahit busy kayo or hindi kayo busy, gawin nyo kung anong gustong gawin nyo. Okay? Yun lang masasabi ko. Okay, bye.